So it says the diagram shows a sector OAB of a circle, center O and radius R. The angle AOB is theta radians. The area of the sector is 12 centimeters squared. The perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc AB. Find the value of R. Okay, so a couple of things going on here. They've told us that the area of the sector is 12. So firstly, since I see that sentence there, I'm going to use that formula. Remember, the area of the sector formula for it is a half R squared theta, isn't it? Yeah? Now, I know that this is equal to 12. That will give you 1 mark. Are we happy with that so far, just before I continue? Yeah? So we've got that. That's one equation. Now, the second sentence, or this one here anyway, it says the perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc. Okay, well, what is the arc, first of all? The arc is this distance here, right? And we know that the formula for the arc L is r theta. So I can put an r theta here, and that means that I can say, well, the perimeter can be calculated. The perimeter P is going to be equal to r plus r theta, right? And that means that this is equal to 2r plus r theta. We happy with that, guys, so far, just before we continue? That's an expression for the perimeter. Yeah? Good stuff. And apparently, the perimeter is 4 times the length of the arc. So what I like to do, this is an algebraic worded problem. The perimeter P means equals 4 times the length of the arc. Yeah? So what that means for me then is, well, fine. If I put this here, the perimeter is 2r plus r theta. That's the perimeter. This is equal to 4 times the length of the arc AB. Well, the length of the arc AB is r theta. So I get this equation here. Are we happy with that, guys? Does that make sense? Yeah, I'm just going to wait for anyone to say yes or no. Yeah? Now remember what you're trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out what the value of r is, right? We've got this equation here. If I could work out what theta is, then that would be very easy. How can we work out theta? Let's deal with this equation here. Now, if I look at this, well, I could say, well, I've got r theta here, and I've got another r theta there, right? So I've got 2r. I'm going to move that over. That's going to be 3r theta. Algebraically, what can happen from here, guys? Exactly. You can cancel the r's, no? We can divide both sides by r, like that. That will give us 2 is equal to 3 theta. Well, sorry, I wrote r theta, but I said 3 theta. So 2 is equal to 3 theta, meaning that, thank you very much, Matt, that theta is going to be 2 divided by 3, isn't it? 2 over 3. So we now have theta. We can use that to punch this into this equation here. So to finish off, whoops, where are we? So where's it gone? Okay, here we are. Yeah. So to finish off then, we can say that we're going to have 1/2, and then it's going to be r squared, and we know theta is 2 over 3, right? And this is equal to 12. So therefore, I'm going to just put this here. So now tidying this up, well, that is going to cancel with that, isn't it? So that's just going to give us r squared times 1/3 is equal to 12. Times by 3, we get r squared is equal to 36. So therefore, r is equal to plus or minus. The square root of 36 is 6. However, r represents the radius. That can only be positive. So therefore, r is just equal to 6. And that's it. That'll give us all the marks. Well done, Fiona. Anybody get this correct? Anybody else get this correct? Let me just zoom out to see the working. Well done, Sam. And if you didn't, does it make sense now? Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. So, how did we find this topic today? Especially for those of us that are doing this for the first time. Put a 0, find it very tricky, very challenging. Or put a 10 if it's very easy, very straightforward. You understand it perfectly, and you can definitely tackle more questions. I can see 7. I can see 9. 9. Good recap. Good stuff. Good stuff. Cool. Brilliant. Brilliant. Cool. So we'll leave it there today. Have a good rest of your week. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Take care.